In this video, I want to demonstrate or rather show how to mine some coins that are not yet listed, but maybe they will have a future. So you have nothing to lose since it's free to mine, and it doesn't take much of your time. So let's just begin quickly. So one of the coins is pi coins. So you can get it from the app store. This is its icon. So once you download it and you install it, all you have to do is you mine. So when you open it, this is how it looks like. Yeah, and all you have to do in mining, you press this button, the icon of lightning. Since mine I had already pressed, that's all you have to do. Yeah, so once you press it, it will start mining automatically for like 24 hours. Then after 24 hours again you press it. What you see down there is the hash rate, that pi over h. So when you want to increase your hash rate, is like mining rate, you invite more people using your link. So how do you do that? You just press the lightning, then invite more, then you use other channels. Yeah, so after you press other channels, you just press copy. Then now you can share it in your social media, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, or whichever. Yeah, so that's all you have to know about pi. Oh, and maybe one last thing, you have to verify your account so that you don't lose your pi coins in case you lose your phone and you have to replace your phone. So to do that, you press this top left, then you come to profile. Yeah, my account is already verified. So once you press profile, you'll see phone number and Facebook verification. The directions are pretty straightforward, you'll just follow them. Yeah, so that's all about pi and mining. Remember, you press the lightning button. So the more people you invite, the higher your mining rate or hash rate. Yeah, so the next one is B. It's called B. It's the same technique. Here it is. This is its logo. You press B. Yeah, so when you want to mine B, you see that icon of a bee flying. That's all you do. You press it once every 24 hours. That's all about it. Then same thing, hash rate. If you want to increase your hash rate, you come here to invite friends. The procedure is very similar. You just invite friends, then you share, you press the share button, then you copy your link and share in your social media. Then mining again is once every 24 hours. Like now, if you press now mine, you'll mine after the next day, same time. That's all about B. The next one I would like to talk about is it's called Eagle. Eagle also has the same technique. They are not yet listed, and you never know what happens in this crypto. So if you get free things that can be mined for free, just do them. So in this Eagle, I haven't started mining, so you're lucky. So you press that button with an eagle sign just on top of mining will stop after 24 hours. So once you press it, no, you press this bigger circle first, then you go back, then now you press the circle on top. Yeah, so now it's mining. That's all you have to do after every 24 hours. Then Same thing, if you want to increase your hash rate, you start referring, you press share, then you copy the link and share in your social media. Yeah, that's all about Eagle. I'll share the links of all these apps in the description tab below. Yeah, the next one is cloud earning. It's called Phoneum. It's also in the App Store, but I'll share the link. This one you mine once a week, so I'd already pressed mine. So once the week ends, you see where it's written 513. I'll show you 513, 5 days 13 hours. Yeah, it will, when the time elapses, you'll just press a button there, then it will start mining. Then when you want to increase again your mining rate, you press the invite button, then you copy the link and share. I will share my link below. You create your account. That's all about Phoneum. The last one, and probably is called Thunder. This one also started like these other ones, but now the beauty is that this one has already been listed. It's listed in exchange platforms. So for Thunder, let me see. Yeah, this is the home page. If you want to mine, you simply press home, then the TT mining, let's start mining now, you press it, then you wait for it to load, then you claim rewards. That's all about this one. Then you close window. You can mine once every 24 hours. It self mines. All you have to do is claim your Thunder. Then other ways of earning the Thunder coins, you see where it's written quest. If you press quest, you'll find games where you play, but you pay them in Thunder, so I wouldn't recommend those. But if you come down here, I had already done these what do I call them, tasks. There are some tasks here in quest where you're told to maybe retweet what they tweeted in their Twitter page, then you get rewarded 2 thunders. Yeah, mostly is usually retweeting, so it's very straightforward. That's all you have to do to earn your Thunder coins. I'll post the link to the Thunder below. I haven't tested these other things, but once I learn more about them, I'll share in future videos. Yeah, so that's all about these new apps that are upcoming, where you can just mine for free. You never know whether they'll be listed. For instance, Thunder is now listed. Pi has a really good project, and I think soon it will be listed, soon before 2021 comes to an end. So yeah, take advantage of them. That's all. Yeah, in case you have maybe other mining apps, you can share in my comment section. Yeah, and we help each other grow this crypto community.